Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can blur faces out using DaVinci Resolve. So I've got a clip in my timeline here that I've just gone ahead and dragged, and the first step is going to be duplicating it. To do so quickly, all you have to do is hold Alt, hold left click, and drag your clip one layer above. So now we have two clips on our timeline, one of them being the duplicate. Let's put our playhead to the start, move on to the color page, then right click the node graph, select add alpha output. Then we connect this blue box with this blue circle, and now the alpha outputs are connected. Then let's click here on the window tab, and then for this example, I'll be using an elliptical window or an elliptical mask. So I'm gonna go ahead and click that. Should add one to the preview over here. You can adjust the size. I'll make it so it matches the head quite nicely. Then you can also adjust the feather, how soft the edges are. And I think that's pretty good. So move on one tab over to the right to the tracker. Click on track forward and reverse. And give it a minute or two and it should track the movement of whatever we have highlighted, whatever we have inside of the elliptical window we just made. So now that that's done, let's go back over to our timeline view. Let's click on disable video track on the first layer real quick. Okay, so as we can see, this second layer is just focused on the head. And if we play it forward, we can see that it follows only the head, only the face of the person we want to blur out. So I'll go ahead and re-enable the first track real quick. Put the playhead back to the start. Go to the FX tab by clicking here, and then going to Resolve Effects and typing blur in the search box. So if you don't see it, just click this magnifying glass icon. I'm gonna go ahead and type blur. And for this example, I think the mosaic blur would look best. If you hover over them, you can also see a preview. So here's the mosaic blur, here's the box blur, directional blur, Gaussian blur. I'll be using the mosaic. So all I have to do now is drag this over onto the duplicate layer we made earlier. Now that that's there, we can see in our preview window that the face has successfully been blurred out. Everything else in the video that isn't part of this second layer, meanwhile, remains pretty sharp and in detail and in focus. So that was how to quickly blur faces out using DaVinci Resolve. I hope you were able to learn something new, and thank you for watching.